Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create shift in Zoho People. Alright, so first up, just go ahead over to the bottom left and click on Operations. Click on it, and once done, as you can see here, we have shift. Okay, so what you'll do is just click on it, and then in here, it says, please begin typing to search for an employee. Now, once you're in here, just go to the top. Okay, let's go ahead over to Manage Shift right here. Wait for it to load, and just go ahead and click on Add Shift. All right, in here we have a form which we need to fill. Shift name, maybe 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. shift. All right, depends on you. Select the color, and then once done, change the arrows right here. You can go ahead and use your keyboard to adjust the time. Okay, the up and down arrow keys, like so. All right. And in here, you go ahead and check define boundaries within which payable hours will be calculated. Check if you want to and adjust the hours right here. If not, you have the option core working hours. Click on it. Define the time frames during which employees in this shift are required to present for work. Okay. You can go ahead and restrict the breaks during core working hours as well if you want to. All right, and the next step, you have the weekends are based on what? Location or shift. You could also provide a shift allowance. Just click on this checkbox and then add in the rate per day. Eligibility criteria right here. Which department? Select from one of your departments. For example, for information technology department, okay, this option right here applies. Okay, only to, again, the information technology department. And once you're happy with it, you can now go ahead and click on save. Wait for it, and here you have your new shift. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.